Good afternoon everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome to our virtual showroom. I'm here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra with the Sun and Safety package, so tons of additional standard features. We'll do a quick walk around the outside and then we'll do the walk around the inside, just walk around. I'll sit in the inside, show you some of the vehicle specifications. That way if you feel like calling us or texting us or emailing us, we'd be happy to go over some of the specs of the vehicle and seeing if this is the right vehicle for you. So as you can see, this vehicle's in very nice shape. It's got low kilometers, which I'll show you very shortly. Body's in great shape. You got the alloy wheels there. You got fog lights. You got a nice big beefy Hyundai grille. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You got a sunroof right there. Just like to go over the whole vehicle, show you. I have to unlock the trunk. I apologize, I left the keys in the trunk. So we'll go ahead, open the trunk like so. There we go. I'll take the mats out. Nice big trunk, 60/40 split rear folding seats. So if you have a little project at home, you need a little bit extra space, this trunk could definitely accommodate that. Walk over to the front here, I'll show you the back seats. So everything's in really nice condition. You can see cloth's all in nice shape, no cuts or tears. Carpets are in nice shape. You got power windows in the rear. In the front, I'll show you some of the standard features. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got an adjustable driver's seat. Some additional features, you can adjust your interior illumination. You got blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and you can turn your traction control off. So a couple of features like that. Nice thing about these ones, push button start. So you have proximity key on the doors now. So essentially you just walk up to the door, hit the little black button on the door, tap it once, locks your doors, tap it once to unlock, tap it twice to unlock all the doors. So nice feature, you don't have to fondle with your keys anymore. You can leave them in your pocket, in your purse, wherever you have them. You don't have to worry about pulling them out. So again, you got a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You got all your volume controls here with hands-free. You got your information center here so you can toggle through, set the settings to your preferences. You can also shut off your adaptive cruise control if you needed to. Cruise control buttons all here. If we move over here, some of the more luxurious features, you've got heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You've got a heated steering wheel, definitely my favorite feature. Drive mode, you can drive in sport, you can drive in normal. So again, it just extends smart mode. So again, depending on how much power and everything, you can drive it a little bit more efficient or a little bit more fun, depending on how you like to do it, okay? You got your auxiliaries and your inputs down here. You got an easy laid out temperature gauge control with air conditioning, rear defrost, very simplistic, easy to use. If we move up, here's your infotainment system. You've got a nice big touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So nice thing now, you don't have to go to our top line package to use navigation. Just plug your phone in. Yes, it does take data, but a lot of times we don't need navigation if we're just driving around at home. So, but if you need it, you're going on a trip, plug your phone in, you've got up-to-date traffic, you've got everything. So it's a really nice feature. And you go in the back, you got a nice backup camera right there. So again, at only 29,352 kilometers. Really nice vehicle, dash is all clean, no cuts, anything like that. Seats are all in nice shape, no cuts, scratches, dents, or dings. Very nice vehicle, tons of factory warranty, up to almost 70,000 kilometers of factory warranty left. Great buy. So again, thank you for taking the time here in our virtual showroom today. As always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.